Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore focus. How does the camera decide what's sharp? Pick a mode, try it on Real Photos AF modes. Which focus mode to choose? Portraits, landscapes, architecture, food, perched birds, anything stationary. Birds in flight, sports, running children, any subject moving toward or away from you. Half press to AF acquire, then rotate ring to fine-tune. Refine what the camera found. Focus areas. Where does the camera search? You choose exactly which grid point is active. Maximum control, maximum precision. Perfect for off-center subjects. Tip: move the point with the joystick or touchscreen. Don't always rely on center AF. A cluster of adjacent points active together. Camera picks the nearest subject in the zone. Less precise than single point, but much faster for moving subjects. Tip: great for sports and birds moving within a defined zone. All points active. Camera decides what to focus on. Usually the closest subject. Convenient for quick shooting, but may accidentally focus on background. Tip: avoid for portraits. Camera may focus on the nose instead of the eyes. Modern cameras detect faces and eyes, automatically locking on the nearest eye. A game changer for portraits. Almost never misses. Tip: works with AI servo. Camera tracks the eye even as the subject moves. Focus stacking. Combining focus layers. Each shot keeps a different part of the subject in focus. In Photoshop Lightroom, you merge all layers into one image where everything is sharp, even when DOF is just a few millimeters. Move AF from the shutter button to a thumb button. AF on. Now, thumb equals focus, shutter equals exposure only. Lock focus once and shoot freely without losing the lock. Modern Sony, Canon R, Nikon Z, and Fuji cameras detect eyes in real time and track automatically. Enable face eye detection mode plus AI servo, one of the most powerful tools for portraits. When using MF, enable focus peaking in camera menu. Sharp edges are highlighted in color, usually red-white. Much easier to know what's in focus without magnifying. Focus at the hyperfocal distance, and everything from half that distance to infinity is sharp. Perfect for landscape with a wide lens. Calculate with an app like PhotoPills. Fast, silent AF motor. Precise focus even on moving subjects. Macro plus focus stacking equals every detail sharp across full depth of field. Precise manual focus without vibration. Essential for stacking and macro. Photography courses. Beginner to advanced video lessons, self-paced, covering all photography topics. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.